Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save, share, and protect files using OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. This gives you access to all your cloud storage features and ensures your files sync across all your devices. After signing in, wait a moment while the login process completes. You'll then be directed to your OneDrive dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your files and photos. Now, to begin saving and sharing your files, look at the top part of your dashboard and click on the Photos tab. This will switch your view from the General Files dashboard to a gallery layout where all your photos are stored and organized. From here, saving your photos is straightforward. Click on the Upload from your device button and a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This window allows you to browse through your computer's folders and select exactly which photos you want to back up to the cloud. Take your time selecting the photos you wish to upload, and once you've chosen them all, click on Done. An upload process will begin immediately, backing up your selected photos to OneDrive. This ensures your precious memories are safe and accessible from any device. Now, let's talk about sharing photos from your OneDrive. Locate the photo you want to share from your gallery. Hover your cursor over that photo, and you'll notice a Share button appears below it. Click on this Share button, and a sharing window will pop up with several options. From this window, you can directly send the photo through email by typing the recipient's email address in the field provided. Alternatively, you can copy the link that OneDrive generates and share this photo using that URL. This link can be sent through messaging apps, social media, or any other platform you prefer, making it incredibly versatile for sharing. Finally, let's protect your most sensitive files using OneDrive's Personal Vault feature. Head to your File Explorer on your computer and look at the left side menu. Find the OneDrive option and click on it to expand the folder structure. From the list of folders that appears, look for Personal Vault within the OneDrive folder. Click on Personal Vault and a setup window will appear on your screen. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Personal Vault. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your most important files, requiring additional authentication before anyone can access them. And that's it. You've now learned how to save your photos, share them with others, and protect your sensitive files using OneDrive. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.